Hey guys, episode 43 of the crypto portfolio series. So since last week, up about 50,000. So recovered almost all of what was lost previous week. I was at about 330. No buys or sells this week, so it's just the market recovering. So that's pretty good. Seemed like it was a low point last week. And we can move on from here. But a little word of caution, just sort of seeing in the news, we all got very excited before when these sort of big institutions like Ruffer sort of made a big investment. They, back in November, put in about $600 million, and everyone gets very excited, but obviously since November it's rocketed up a hell of a lot. And they sort of took some profits earlier this year, but they've also just sold off about 600 million again since it's gone up in price. So $600 million sale obviously has an impact on the price. Could be one of the reasons that we've seen a drop recently. So yes, just a reminder that institutions will sell, will take profits when it goes up. They're not hodlers, as we call ourselves. But yeah, looking at the portfolio, Bitcoin up about 12.5%, sort of recovering back to what we were a fortnight ago. Ethereum is really doing the work to sort of get this back up to where it was, 29%. Yeah, really happy with that. Cardano starting to go up, outperforming Bitcoin. Not quite keeping pace with Ethereum, but nearly 17%. Pretty good. They had their sort of conference about their sort of move into Africa. So that's pretty good. Litecoin again outperforming Bitcoin, 17, nearly 18% up. So that's pretty good. XRP doing really well, 45%. I think they've had their settlement with the SEC. I sort of mentioned before, I didn't think it was going to come to too much, and seemed to have resolved things reasonably well. So that was positive for XRP, and I expect we can move higher from here. OMG, pretty much same as some of the others, 17% up. XLM, nearly 20% up. So that's pretty good, outperforming most. Tron, about 20%. A lot of these altcoins are sort of very similar in price movement. Basic attention token, not quite as much, 15%. EOS, 20%. Dash, 17%, pretty good. Power Ledger, 22%. And then the couple of little punts I took last week. So I put £250 into both of these, just to sort of show you how the small caps, very, very small caps, these are about sort of rank 600. So yeah, it's sort of showing £0, but it's up 47% on the week. It's just a very low price. And Quantstamp, not done quite as well. Thought about 45%, but I think I bought maybe at a slightly higher price than that. So yeah, I'm not quite up 45%. But yeah, both of them sort of doing pretty well. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Nice recovery, and we'll wait and see sort of how it goes over the next few weeks, and maybe start to think about taking profit on Ethereum. Maybe sort of sell another 4. Just keep sort of taking profits as we go. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.